Hi, I'm Susanna Brady, Senior Vice President of Worldwide Sales and Marketing for Cobalt Digital. I would like to highlight for a minute our UltraBlue IP Multiviewer. It's a multiviewer that it's extremely flexible. We call it a hybrid. It's a scalable software-based multiviewer that supports, takes compressed inputs as well as uncompressed IP or SDI. When I say IP, it could be 2110 or IPMX, and it supports any arbitrary number of outputs, including individual rotation to portrait. It has extremely flexible audio routing, intuitive web interface. The UltraBlue also supports a very comprehensive set of protocols from UDP, RTP, RTMP, RTSP, and of course SRT and RIS, the Reliable Internet Stream Transport. This multiviewer can be sold as a software option and the customer can install on their own hardware, or it can be sold as a one-stop shop with the hardware included. We have several options to choose from. So if you are considering a hybrid excellent, completely full-featured, multi-viewer, please come and talk to us. If you're more interested in information on the UltraBlue multi-viewer product line or any other products, please visit us at www.cobaltdigital.com. Thank you.